Hello Unity developers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your Visual Studio if your IntelliSense not working. So first go to your Visual Studio installer and check did you downloaded and installed this plugin. Game development with Unity, install and modify if you not. Next, go and check another thing. Go to your project, edit preferences, and check this external script editor. This is very important. This must be Visual Studio version checked. So just check it if you have this checked, unchecked it, and check Visual Studio community. Also here, open by file extension Visual Studio. So after you've done that, restart your Unity, restart your Visual Studio, and go and try to find some script, and you see now it's working. My IntelliSense is working and it's showing me where is problem and how to fix it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments on the video. Thank you very much.